Good morning, all of you. I hope you have enjoyed your winter vacation at home and a very happy new year to all of you. So, before winter vacation, we were doing chapter number 7 congruency of triangles. So, that time we have learned few new terms congruency, correspondence. Then we have learned about congruency of different things congruency of line segments, congruency of angles. Then we have moved to congruency of triangles. Since we know triangle is made up of sides, it is having three sides, it is having three angles. So to study the congruency of triangles, we have to study the congruency of line segments and congruency of angles, and we have learned that congruency of line segments and congruency of angles. After that we have learned about congruency of triangles. So under congruency of triangles, so as the meaning of congruency is the shape which are having same shape and size. Congruency meaning same shape plus same size also. Okay, so congruency of triangles. So congruency of triangles means triangles having same shape. So all triangles looks the same are having the same shape, but it should also have same size. Okay, and that part deals with the congruency of triangles. Under congruency of triangles, we have learned about different criteria. What are the criteria that determine that two triangles are congruent? What are those criteria? Recall? Yes. So first criteria you have learned is SSS, side, side, side. Next criteria? Yes, side angle side, SAS. Next, angle side angle, ASA. And the last one, just now after the winter break you have learned, that is the RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. So we will try to identify. Now in exercise 7.2 we will first question deals with how to identify that which criteria is being applied over there. So here our first question of exercise 7.2. Which congruency criteria do you use in the following? So in this question it is already told that these two triangles are congruent. Only we have to determine what? We have to determine which criteria is applied over here for the congruency. Okay. Which congruency criteria do you use in the following? It is already told that triangle, as you can see, this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. So it is already told that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Now we have to only say which criteria is being applied over here. Okay. So let us do that. So here you can see AB equals to DE. Side AB equals to D. So you know how to give the notation to show that they are equal. You know how to give the notation. I have given the notation that these two are equal. Okay, AB equals to DE. Next, BC equals to EF. BC equals to EF. So here also I have used the notation. Double dash I have used. So I have to use double dash only to the equal part over here. Okay, so BC equals to EF. Now next, AC equals to DF. AC equals to DF. So it is given in the question triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So I hope you know what is the symbol we used, what is the sign we used for congruency. Okay, equal to sign and similarity sign together. Okay, because congruency deals with what? Same shape and size. So same shape means similar shape. So similarity sign. Same size. So equal to sign. Okay. So this is a congruency sign. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now you have to tell which criteria. So you can easily see this is the side. AB equal to D. Side congruency is given. BC equals to EF. This is also side congruency given. AC equal to TF. This is also side. So side, side, side. Side, side, side. Okay, so it is congruent by SSS criteria. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next. Next, question number B and C, you try at home. Question number 1, B and C, you try to do by yourself. Okay, now this is the last one, question number D of question number 1. Okay, now these are the two triangles. You can easily see EAB and DCB. Okay, in this question, what is given? EB equals to DB. EB equals to DB. Okay, so they have given the same notation for that. Okay, to understand EB equals to DB. If this is also not given, you can easily see which are equal part by seeing the sign. Okay, one dash over here means these two sides are equal. They are shown with same sign. Now, EB equals to DB shown. AE equals to BC. AE equals to BC. And the last one, angle A equals to angle C 90 degree. Angle A equals to angle C 90 degree. So which criteria we will apply? Here we can see two side, one angle. Okay, two side, one angle. So you will be thinking it can be angle side angle, sorry, two side, one angle. Okay, so you will be thinking side angle, but there is no criteria which is called side angle. Or you will be thinking that it is an angle side, but there is no criteria which is called angle side. So what to do? Yes, you can see here angle A equal to angle C 90 degree. Okay, so you can easily see which one will be the hypotenuse. So angle A is 90 degree. So side just opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse for this triangle. This is the 90 degree for this triangle. Which one is the hypotenuse? This one. So EB and DB are the hypotenuse. And those two are equal also. EB equals to BD. Next, this is the right angle already shown. This is 90 degrees. So this is the right angle. AE equals to BC. Now these are the two triangle. It is having the side other than hypotenuse. What are the two sides they are having? EA and AB for this triangle, and for this triangle DC and BC. So you can easily see one of the side of those triangles are equal. Okay. One of the side of the right angle triangle are equal along with the hypotenuse equality. Okay, so what you can see here, that in a right angle triangle, in two right angle triangle, hypotenuse equal and one of the side equal. So what is that criteria? Just now in the previous video you have learned. Yes, right angle, hypotenuse, side, RHS. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Or you can tell right hypotenuse side. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, side. RHS criteria you know how to apply. So in RHS criteria, there will be two triangle and those two triangle will be having a 90-degree hypotenuse will be equal of both the triangles, and any one of the side will be equal other than the hypotenuse. Okay, then RHS criteria is applied over there. Okay, now moving on to the next question. So question number 1, B and C you try at home. Now the second question. So second question, you want to show that you are going to show, means you want to show that triangle ART congruent to triangle PEN. Okay, you want to show ART triangle and PEN triangle are congruent. Now, if you have to use, now you are going to use, you want to show this congruency by which criteria? SSS. Now what you have to show? If you want to show these two triangle are congruent, ART and PEN triangle congruent, you have to show through SSS. So what you have to make equal in both the triangles so that SSS can be applied? So you can easily see SSS means side, side, side. So you have to show one of the side of this triangle is equal to that one of that side in the other triangle. Similarly, second side is equal to second side of this second triangle. In this way, all the three sides you have to show equal. Then only you can show SS criteria over this. So what are the sides you have to show that they are equal? It is told ART is congruent to PEN. Okay. So what are the side you are having? First AR side. So AR side will be equal to which side? You are taking first two letters. So that side also you have to take first two letter. Okay. So AR should be equals to P. It cannot be equals to EN. You have to maintain the order. Okay. If you are taking first two letter, that triangle also first two letter you have to take when the congruency is given already. Okay. Means this is the order they have given. Okay. Because you know if congruency given, how to write the corresponding parts, you have studied that. Okay, so what is the corresponding part of AR in the triangle PEN? It is PE. Okay, so AR should be equals to what? PE. Okay, now next side I have to take. Next side, now I have taken first and second letter. Now you take second and third letter, RT. So here also you have to take second and third letter. Okay, RT should be equals to EN. RT side should be equals to EN. So RT side should be equals to EN. Okay, so first which side should be equal? AR. This AR should be equals to PE. Next, RT should be equals to EN. RT should be equals to EN. And next, what left? TA. See here. Now, I have taken first and second letter. So here also a first, second letter. Okay. Next, I have taken second and third letter. So here also I have taken second and third letter. So next is first and third letter. AT. So here also I have to take first and third letter. So AT should be equals to what? PN. Okay, so order you have to see. Whenever congruency is given, it is given in the ordered manner. So corresponding parts I have to write by seeing the order only. Okay, so I want to apply SSS criteria for this triangle. Okay, so I have to show all the three sides are having corresponding parts to the next triangle. And what are those I have to mention. So you can easily see if this side equals to this side equals to this side equals to this by SSS. ACE criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Now, next. In this first question, we have applied ACE criteria. What the next question is telling? Which criteria to use? It is given that angle T equals to angle N. You can easily see angle T equals to angle N. You can easily see angle T is the third letter. So here also you take the third letter. So angle T equals to angle N. So it is already, you can see from the congruency. Angle T equals to angle N. Now, and you are to use SAS criteria. Side angle side criteria. So what you need to show? You have to show one side equal. One side of both the triangles equal. Then you have to show one angle of both the triangles are equal. And one more side also equal of both the triangle. Okay, SAS. So what is given already? Angle is given already. Angle T equals to angle N. Angle T equals to angle N it is already given. So this angle T equals to angle N, it is already given. Now you have to show through the criteria SAS. So you know, when you are reading about SAS, you are knowing that this two side should be adjacent. Okay, means this angle should be made by these two sides, or you can tell this angle should be in the middle and side will be the arms of that angle. Okay, so in any manner you can tell SAS, I have to show one of the side equal of both the triangles. One angle I have to show which is present with equal measure in both the triangle, and one another side equal for both the triangles. Now SAS, so that angle which is equal should be between the two side, or you can tell that two side will be the arm of that angle. Okay, so which two side I have to show that they are equal? So this side, what are the arms of this angle? This side and this side. I have to show this side and this side is equal to this side and this side of that triangle. Okay, I cannot show this side is equal to this side, then this side will be equals to this side. Here also you can see one angle and two sides, but that angle is between the two sides. No, that angle is not between the two sides. Between these two sides, which angle is there? This angle, not T. So this I cannot show. What I have to show? What I have to show? This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Now you can see easily this angle is between the two sides. These are the two sides and angle is in the middle. In this triangle also, this angle is in the middle of this two side. Okay, so angle T equals to angle N, it is already given. What I have to write? AT equals to PN. Okay, so in this question they have already given one of the sides. They have already given. So there may be question, this side will not be given, but you have to write by yourself. So what you are going to write? This side I am writing. So you are going to write AT. So first letter and third letter AT. So here also first letter and third letter, PN. So 80 equals to PM. Next, what I have to show? RT. RT will equals to what? Okay, so RT means second and third letter. So here also I have to take second and third letter, EN. Okay, this we have to write. But in the question, half of the work is already done. Okay, RT will be equals to what? Only you have to write that. So RT should be equals to what? So you can easily see from this congruency. RT is EN. Okay, RT is EN and PN equals to so PN is given. So second and third letter. So here also 80 I have to write. Okay, so half of the work is done. If this is not given also, you can easily write this. Okay, so there is question number C in this. Question number 2 is having the C part also. You try by yourself. Okay, there they have not given the things. They have mentioned that you have to do angle side angle. So angle side angle you know already. Okay. In the third question, they have given angle side angle. So in the question, they have given which side is equal. Okay. In the question, they have given which side is equal. Only you have to show which angle will be equal. So according to ASA, if you are having any kind of triangle, if they have given this side is equal to another triangle, so which angle you will take? If it is given in this triangle, if it is given this side is equal to side of another triangle. So which two angles you will take to prove ASA? Will you take this two angle? No, we cannot take this two angle. We have to take the angles which are having one of the arm this side. This side should be in the middle and two angles will be there will be in the extreme ends. Okay, this side should be in the middle and these are the two angles we have to consider. Okay, accordingly you have to write which angle will be equal. Okay, once you try third part, second number question, C part. If you face any difficulty, you ask in the DCC class. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Okay, now question number 3, you try at home. In question number 3, it is said you have to show that triangle AMP congruent to triangle AMQ. So they have already written the steps. PM equals to QM. You are only have to give the reason why PM equals to QM. Okay, you are already given what is the congruency. Okay, and now the corresponding parts are given. PM equals to QM. So you have to write the reason why PM equals to QM. Then angle PMA equals to angle QMA. So you have learned about the corresponding parts. So you know already that if any congruency is given, then the corresponding parts will be equal. Okay, so you know the reason what I have to write if corresponding part is shown equal. Okay, so you try question number 3, it's very easy. Now question number 4. In question number 4, they have given angle A, angle B and angle C measurement. This question you have to do by yourself. Okay, once you think, it has been already discussed. Okay, 30, 40 and 110 degree. 30 degree, 40 degree and 110 degree. This is the angles given for triangle ABC. Now they have given angle measurement for triangle PQR. So angle P, angle Q, angle R measurement is also given. This is for triangle ABC. This is for triangle PQR. Okay, so what are the measurement they have given? 30, 40, P 30 degree, angle Q 40 degree, angle R 110 degree. So you will be thinking the two triangles will be congruent. The two triangles will be congruent because you are seeing angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R. So you will be thinking by angle criteria, those two triangles, angle ABC and angle P, triangle ABC and triangle PQ are congruent. Yes, you will be thinking triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by angle criteria, but this is not so, because you know angle criteria do not exist. Okay, and this is the question. This thing given, a student says triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by angle congruency. Is he justified? Is he justified if he says like that? These two triangles congruent by angle criteria. Is it justified? Why or why not? You have to give the reason. Is there any criteria which exists? Angle. No. So you can write the reason easily. Why or why not? There is no such criteria. So he is not justified. Okay, try to write the answer of question number 4 also by yourself. Now moving on to the question number 5. Now, 5 number question. In the figure, two triangles are congruent. So it is already said these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so no need to prove they are congruent. It is already said in the question. These two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. So you can easily see over here the corresponding parts are marked. You can easily see this is angle R, which is equals to which angle in the triangle NWO, which angle is equals to angle R. So it is denoted by one line. So you have to search which angle is denoted by one line, that will be equal. This is the notation we are using. Okay, so angle R is equals to angle W. Similarly, you can see angle A equals to angle, it is denoted by two lines. So here also denoted by two lines. So angle A equals to angle O. Similarly, angles T equals to angle N. Okay, so corresponding parts are marked. What are the corresponding parts? It is marked already in the figure. You can also see that line segment RA. RA equals to which line segment? RA. It is denoted by double line. So I have to say where is the double line over here? So here RA. Okay, so here I am going from one single line notation of the angle to double line notation of the angle. So here also, if I am going to write RA, okay, RA. So which side equal to RA? I can write WO. This is the double line notation. So I have to say where is the double line notation here. So you can write WO also. You can write OW also. But which one to write for RA? WO or OW? Which one to write? WO or OW? Because we know AR equals to WO because they are denoted by double line. They have marked already that they are equal. But I will write in the order WO or OW. So you can easily see RA. Okay, so angle R is denoted by single line. and A denoted by double line. So single line notation to double line notation I'm going. So here also I have to go from single line notation to double line notation. Okay, so I have to write WO. Okay, to maintain the order. To maintain the order I have to write WO, not OW. It is from this angle to this angle. Okay, because you can easily see if you consider angle R, it is equal to which angle over here? W. So if you are writing R first, you have to write W first. You cannot write O first. Okay. Okay. So this you may require when you will write the congruency. You have to maintain the order. Okay. So it will be very good if you maintain the order. So now they are telling the corresponding parts marked. So it is already told what are the corresponding parts marked for these two congruent triangles. So we can write triangle RAT congruent to what? Triangle RAT is congruent to what? Which order I have to write? There is the triangle NWO. You can write in any order. You will be thinking I can write in any order. You can write triangle NWO. You can write WON triangle. You can write ONW triangle. But no, you have to maintain the order. You have to see which are the corresponding parts. So what is the corresponding part to R? This is R. This angle equals to which angle in this triangle? W. So first letter of this triangle should correspond to the first letter of this second triangle. Okay, now A. A is corresponding to which angle over there? A is corresponding to O, because it is shown by the lines that they are equal. Okay, and next, what is remaining? You can easily write N is there. Okay, so you have to maintain the order. I cannot write over here ONW. I cannot write NOW. Okay, you have to maintain the order. So in this way, triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON. So when the two triangles it is given, they are congruent, you can easily write what I have to write for the triangle, because corresponding part you are knowing now. Okay, it is already shown, so it is easy to write. But if this is not given, okay, I am just changing the question and you try to think over that. Okay, so if this is not given, so what are you going to write? And it is also not given two triangles congruent. I am changing a little this question. Okay, you try to answer the question. This figure is given. Okay, this figure is given, and the question is, are they congruent? And if they are congruent, by which criteria? If they are congruent, by which criterion? Okay, try to think over this question. So to get the congruency, we must know what are the corresponding parts. From corresponding parts, we can write the congruency. Okay, so you have 4 criteria. First criteria is side, side, side. Next, side, angle, side. Then angle, side, angle. Then right angle, hypotenuse, side. Now think which criteria you can apply. Can you apply side, side, side? No. Why? Why we cannot apply? Because we don't know they are congruent or not. We have to prove that. In the previous question, that was in the book, question number 5, it was given they are congruent. That's why we are able to write the congruency. Okay, and we are able to write the corresponding part. But this time it is not given they are congruent. Only this figure is given. So can you apply SSS criteria? No, we cannot apply because only two sides it has been shown they are equal. The third side it is not shown they are equal. So I cannot apply SSS. Can I apply RHS? Can I apply RHS? No. RHS we can apply when there is a right angle. There is no right angle shown over there. So first you think of right angle, then we will think for other two factors. Okay, hypotenuse equal or not, one side equal or not. First criteria, first part of the RHS it is not fulfilled. So RHS we cannot apply because there is no right angle we can see over here. So try to think for these two. And what are the corresponding parts you can write for that? Okay, if it is SAS, what are the corresponding part? If it is angle side angle, what are the corresponding part? Try to think over this question. Okay, if they are congruent, you have to show they are congruent or not. Okay, so you have to first write down the corresponding parts. What are the parts that are equal? Okay, so three parts we first write. Okay, this is the process. First you have to write considering triangle RAT and WON. Considering triangle, that will be the first line. Considering triangle RAT and WON. Then you have to write what are the three things that are equal. By studying that three things, by which what you can write these triangles congruent to second triangle and by which criteria in the bracket. Okay, these are the steps you have to follow. First step, you have to write considering which two triangle, that name should be there. Which three things are equal that can prove they are congruent. That three things you have to write. Then you have to write the congruency form. Triangle this congruent to triangle this. Okay, and in bracket criteria. This is the form you have to solve this question. Okay, so this question once you try by yourself. These two triangles given and it is shown which are equal parts. But it is not told they are congruent. So you are going to say, are they congruent? If they are congruent, you are going to write this with the criteria. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, thank you. So next part we will continue from question number 6.